removing the tip of the corn. Gives it strength as powerful as an ox. When the corn is about 80% mature, cut off the tip just above one leaf from the top. This redirects nutrients back into the plant, making the kernels plumper, increasing overall yield, and helping prevent the stalk from falling over. No matter how strong the wind blows, the corn will stand firm. Have you mastered this technique? Cucumbers that never drown, peppers that never dry out. Eggplants need plenty of space to produce high yields. Peppers grow best when two plants share the same spot. Deeply tilled soil helps radishes easily produce over 10,000 jin. Green onions dislike heavy rain. Chives fear harsh sunlight. To get tomatoes to set 5 to 6 layers of fruit, pinch off the growing tips without hesitation. Still worried about chives growing thin and weak? Here's a natural method to boost yields by 20% without any chemical pesticides or fertilizers. Collect leftover eggshells from your kitchen and crush them finely. Add 1 gin of edible vinegar and soak for 7 days. Then dilute with 40 gin of clean water and use this to water your chives. In just 2 weeks, you'll see yellow leaves turn green, stems grow thicker and stronger, and leaves become lush and vibrant. Yields will clearly improve. This method uses calcium from eggshells and the mild acidity of vinegar to improve soil and promote growth. Safe, eco-friendly, and budget-friendly. Try it now and watch your chives grow stronger with each harvest. If you find this helpful, share it with fellow gardeners so everyone can grow robust chives together. Vegetable planting schedule for the second half of 2025. See how many you remember? July 1st, water spinach. July 10th, romaine lettuce. August, cilantro. August 15th, autumn, cucumber. August 20th, white radish. September 1st, Shanghai bok choy. September 10th, crown daisy. September 20th, garlic. October 1st, spinach. October 10th, lettuce. October 20th, snow greens. November 10th, cherry radish. December 1st, mutton herb greens. If you can't remember all these dates, like and follow us. Green onions dislike waterlogging. Garlic needs only moderate watering. Leafy greens need plenty of water, while melons and fruits prefer less. Avoid watering pumpkins during the flowering stage of melons and beans. Avoid watering during fruit swelling. Water combined with fertilizer is best. Water cucumbers generously and frequently, but water tomatoes lightly and often. Remember these watering tips well. Why should you stop harvesting chives once the hottest summer days arrive? Because this is a critical time for chives to nourish and strengthen their roots. Continuing to harvest now weakens the root system, reducing their ability to regrow. Allowing chives to rest and rebuild during this period ensures better growth and higher yields later. Now you know why trim healthy-looking eggplants. Because in high temperatures, new fruit rarely sets, and branches age faster. Pruning old branches encourages new shoots to grow, leading to more harvests. The pruning technique is simple. Cut just above the bud on side branches. After pruning, apply moderate fertilizer, and soon you'll enjoy a fresh crop of eggplants.